Northeastern Kingfisher.
Screw this. Hi, Pete.
At 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dover, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and
Vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Tennessee and Dover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather.
Never thought I would do that before.